Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and if you want to add a custom font on Canva, then this video is for you. So for example, there is so many type of text font inbuilt in Canva that is pretty much impressive. So you can try it, and if sometimes we just need some personalized character or text from your text or font style, here you can see different types of fonts are actually available. But if you don't find your personalized font style, then you can go to the DAW font, and if you want to add a custom font style, so we are going to DAW font and download a custom font style that we can just upload. For example, this one here, so is the we are going to find more from here. For example, this one, or we can actually find some. Let me show you. Here it is, the Marlos here. So it's pretty cool. So we are going to download this Marlos font here. So you have to wait until the zip file downloaded. Now you have to open the zip file location here. So you can see here is Marlos zip file. Now you have to simply extract all from here. So extract all. So we are going to extract all. So here you can see the Marlos font. This is the file that we are going to upload in Canva. So you have to go to Canva and simply click on the texture and go to the font style, and here you will find upload a font. For that you have to purchase the premium version of Canva. So if you are on Canva Pro, then you can try this on. So you can simply select that font from here. You can just drag and drop and font here, and you can upload that font, and it will ask for the permission by Canva that you just need to give the permission to add this font in your fonts collection. After that, when you add that font, then you have to simply search for with that name, like my is Marlos. So you can search for that, and if you can find that, that means you have successfully added that font format on your Canva. So it's pretty much cool. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.